Hello student, hope you are fine. Myself Sri K.D. Borsesar, biology subject teacher. In last lecture we detail discuss inheritance and variation chapter content, gene interaction concept. We detail discuss type of gene interaction. First one is intragenic gene interaction. In that, incomplete dominance is one of the term, codominance is also one of the term, and multiple allele is also one of the term. Second type of gene interaction is intergenic gene interaction. In that, pleiotropy is one of the term. In pleiotropy we detail discuss sickle cell anemia. Now today we are going to learn some more concepts are included in inheritance and variation chapter, like chromosomal theory of inheritance and chromosomes. So let us start today's first concept, chromosomal theory of inheritance. This theory was put forth by Sutton and Boheri. Always remember, this theory was put forth by Sutton and Boheri, scientist name. This theory identifies chromosomes as the carrier of genetic material. You know, in Mendelian work, factors are transmission from generation to generation, but here in the chromosomal theory, Sutton and Boheri proposed chromosome as the carrier of genetic material, means chromosome carry genetic material from one generation to next generation or from parent to their offsprings. This theory stated that the chromosomes are present in pairs in the somatic cell. You know, somatic cell are also called as body cell. So in the somatic cell or body cell present, chromosomes are in the pair form. During gamete formation, pair homologous chromosomes are segregate or separated and assort independently during the meiosis. Thus, each gamete contain only one chromosome from a pair, means each gamete contain one chromosome. Nucleus of the gametes contain chromosomes which carry all hereditary traits or characters. You know, nucleus of the gametes may be male gamete sperm or female gamete egg. Its nucleus contain chromosomes, and such chromosomes are carry all hereditary traits or character from generation to generation, that is from parent to their offspring. Male and female gamete, sperm and egg carry all the hereditary traits, because in the gamete nucleus contain present chromosomes. Gamete means sperm, male gamete, egg, female gamete are link between parent and offspring, because actual gamete carry hereditary traits. Gamete nucleus contain chromosomes carry hereditary traits or character. During fertilization, fusion of haploid male gamete with haploid female gamete to form zygote. So zygote restore the diploid number of chromosome of the species. Always remember, during fertilization, fusion of haploid male gamete with haploid female gamete to form zygote. So zygote is diploid cell. It's restore the diploid number of chromosome. In human being, 23 chromosome from male person, 23 chromosome from female person. So diploid zygote cell contain total 46 number of chromosome. Now in our book noted activity chart, observe the following diagram and answer the question given below. Here seen diagrammatic representation homologous chromosome, seen here diploid cell, capital A, small a, small a. So during the meiosis first, capital A chromosome are separated, small a chromosome are separated, and during the meiosis second, capital A homologous chromosome are separated, enter in a separate gamete. So here capital A1 chromosome present in one gamete, another capital A1 chromosome present in one gamete. Same here, small a1 chromosome present in one gamete, another small a present in one gamete. So this is the diagrammatic representation. On the basis of diagrammatic representation, some questions are noted here. Number one, first question, what is homologous chromosome? Homologous chromosome means morphologically, genetically and structurally identical chromosome present in diploid cell. Such chromosome called as homologous chromosome. Second question noted in activity, in which phase of meiosis first homologous chromosome segregate? Yes, anaphase 1 in the meiosis first segregate homologous chromosome. Now third question noted in activity, where are the gene located? Gene are located on chromosome. Actually genes are nucleotide sequence of the DNA. So DNA are present on chromosome means genes are located on chromosome. Fourth question noted in activity, do genes and chromosome have similar behavior? Justify. Yes, genes and chromosomes have similar behavior. You know, genes are segment of DNA. At the time of cell division, chromosome along with DNA distribute equally to the daughter cells. Both carry genetic material, means DNA as well as chromosome carry genetic material from one generation to next generation, that is from parent to their offspring. So here all activity based 4 question solve. Now always remember, genes and chromosomes occurs always in pair in diploid organism. Also alleles located on chromosome segregate along with chromosome during the gamete formation. Allele located on chromosome segregate along with chromosome during the gamete formation. So these 2 points is most important. So always remember both points. Now the next main term today's lecture known as chromosome. What is chromosome? Chromosome means chromo color, zoma body, so color body. Chromosome means color body. Actual chromosome are filamentous bodies present in eukaryotic nucleus. You know, we learn in 11th standard eukaryotic cell, prokaryotic cell, well organized nucleus present cell called as eukaryotic cell. So eukaryotic cell contain nucleus. Chromosomes are filamentous bodied like structure seen. The term chromosome was coined by scientist named W. Waldeyer, 1888, who coined the chromosome term. W. Waldeyer, 1888. Always remember, W. Waldeyer coined term chromosome. Size of the chromosome varies from species to species. Each metaphase chromosome varies from 0.1 to 33 mm in length and 0.2 to 2 mm in thickness. So seen size of chromosome varies from species to species. Each metaphase chromosome show varies size from 0.1 to 33 mm length and 0.2 to 2 mm thickness. Chromosomes are visible during the cell division. At the time of cell division, chromosomes are easily seen in the microscope. So chromosomes are visible during the cell division. Chromosomes are capable self-replication and play a vital role in heredity, means transmission of genetic information from one generation to next generation. Also, second vital role play mutation, means on chromosome present DNA sudden change its genetic makeup. So mutation is also play vital role in chromosome variation. Chromosome play variation role because of mutation, genetic makeup change, DNA. So variation express and evolutionary development of eukaryotic species. So all these noted here: heredity, mutation, variation, and evolutionary development of eukaryotic species are different vital role play chromosome. Chemically, eukaryotic chromosome are made up of DNA, histone, and non-histone protein. Always remember, chemically, eukaryotic chromosome made up of DNA, histone, and non-histone protein. Now the function of chromosome. Also chromosome numbers. Chromosome are carries heredity, means chromosome are carry genetic information from one generation to another generation, that is from parent to their offspring. Number of chromosomes. The number of chromosome is specific and constant for a particular species. Number of chromosomes is specific and constant for a particular species. For example, human being, Homo sapiens is one of the species. So in human being, Homo sapiens, constant means 46 number of chromosomes and its specific genetic makeup. Therefore, number of chromosome, it is a great important in the study of phylogeny and taxonomy of the species. Now, ploidy, euploidy, aneuploidy are different concepts on the basis of chromosome numbers. We detail discuss one by one. What is ploidy? Ploidy means primary basic number of chromosome in a cell called as ploidy. What is euploidy? When the chromosome number in a cell is exact multiple of the primary basic number called as euploidy. When chromosome number in a cell is exact multiple of the primary basic number called as euploidy, or presence of whole sets of chromosome called as euploidy. Euploids include monoploid or haploid with one set of chromosome where X is equal to n number of chromosome. Diploid 2n means two set of chromosome. Triploid 3n means three set of chromosome. Tetraploid means four set of chromosome. So always remember monoploid, haploid, diploid, triploid, tetraploid are the different ploidies level. Ploidy level is continuous, and so on means polyploidy is also. What is aneuploidy? When the chromosome number is not exact multiple of the haploid set called as aneuploidy. Aneuploidy is either addition or deletion one or more chromosomes to total number of chromosome in a cell. Means in the cell total number of chromosomes, one or more addition or deletion, such condition called as aneuploidy. When aneuploidy, less number of chromosome from total number of chromosome in the cell, such aneuploidy called as hypoploidy. Simply hypoploidy means deletion number of chromosome. For example, in human being, diploid cell contain 46 number of chromosome. Due to haploidy, one or more chromosome deletion means less chromosome seen, such condition called as haploidy type of aneuploidy. So haploidy and hyperploidy is second type of aneuploidy. What is hyperploidy? Addition number of chromosome from the total number of chromosome in a cell. For example, in human being, 46 number of chromosome. If hyperploidy is seen, plus 46 number of chromosomes seen means 47, 48 number of chromosomes seen in the diploid cell. Such condition called as hyperploidy type of aneuploidy. So hypoploidy, hyperploidy are two types of aneuploidy. Addition number of chromosome, hyperploidy. Deletion number of chromosome, hypoploidy. In hypoploidy, there are two concepts. It include monosomy, means 2n number of chromosome minus 1. 2n means 46 chromosome minus 1 means here deletion of chromosome seen. So such condition called as monosomy. Monosomy means one chromosome less from total number of chromosomes. Such condition called as monosomy, and monosomy is one of the type of hypoploidy. Second, nullisomy means 2n minus 2 means 2 number of chromosome deletion from normal number of chromosomes. So for example, here in human being diploid cell contain 46 number of chromosome. In that two chromosomes are deletion, means only 44 chromosomes are present. Such condition called as nullisomy. So nullisomy and monosomy are the hypoploidy type of aneuploidy. In monosomy, one chromosome is deletion. In nullisomy, two chromosome deletion seen in that concept. Always remember, monosomy, nullisomy are the types of hypoploidy. Now hyperploidy also consists of trisomy, means 2n number of chromosome plus 1 means 1 chromosome is addition from normal. Such condition called as trisomy. So in trisomy, human being 46 plus 1 means 47 number of chromosomes. Also hyperploidy. Tetrasomy means 2n plus 2 means 46 plus 2 chromosome addition. Such condition called as tetrasomy. So trisomy and tetrasomy are hyperploidy, and hyperploidy is one of the type of aneuploidy. So here monosomy genotype 2n minus 1, nullisomy genotype 2n minus 2, trisomy genotype 2n plus 1, tetrasomy genotype 2n plus 2. So here all these four concepts are actual aneuploidy, and it include in hypoploidy, hyperploidy. Always remember, hypoploidy, hyperploidy are types of aneuploidy, and monosomy, nullisomy are types of hypoploidy, and trisomy, tetrasomy are types of hyperploidy. Now we detail discuss diagrammatic view ploidy level. Here ploidy seen we two types, euploidy and aneuploidy. So ploidy divided into euploidy and aneuploidy. In euploidy, seen monoploidy means n number of chromosome, diploidy to n number of chromosome, and polyploidy. So monoploidy, diploidy, polyploidy are the types of euploidy. What is euploidy? Whole sets of chromosome are present in the basic number of chromosomes. So euploidy consists of monoploidy, diploidy, polyploidy, while aneuploidy consists of hypoploidy and hyperploidy. In hypoploidy, one monosomy means one chromosome deletion from normal. When two chromosome deletion from normal, nullisomy, and monosomy and nullisomy type of hypoploidy, while hyperploidy means addition number of chromosome, trisomy 2n plus 1 genotype, while tetrasomy means 2n plus 2 chromosome addition, in trisomy 1 chromosome addition. So here detail chart ploidy level seen. Ploidy consists of two types, euploidy and aneuploidy. Also aneuploidy divided into monoploidy, diploidy, polyploidy. Aneuploidy divided into hypoploidy, hyperploidy, hypoploidy divided into monosomy, nullisomy, hyperploidy divided into trisomy and tetrasomy. Now up to this, today's lecture completed. Review today's topic. We learn today chromosomal theory of inheritance, chromosomes, chromosome function, chromosome numbers. In that ploidy, euploidy consist of monoploidy, diploidy and polyploidy. Also aneuploidy consist of hypoploidy, monosomy and nullisomy. Also hyperploidy, trisomy and tetrasomy. So today we detail discuss all these concepts. Now on the basis of today's lecture, some exercise. What is homologous chromosome? Yes, morphologically, structurally, genetically identical chromosome present in diploid cells, such chromosome called as homologous chromosome. What is ploidy? Basic number of chromosome present in a cell called as ploidy. Function of chromosome: carry heredity, means transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. Who coined the term chromosome? W. Waldier, scientist name, coined term chromosome. Chromosomal theory of inheritance was put forth by Sutton and Boveri. In which phase of meiosis first homologous chromosomes segregate? Yes, anaphase first of the meiosis first homologous chromosomes segregate. Where the gene located on the chromosome, genes are located. Chemically, eukaryotic chromosome are made up of, yes, DNA, histone and non-histone protein. Difference between hypoploidy and hyperploidy? Yes, hypoploidy means one or two less number of chromosome from normal, such condition called as hypoploidy type of aneuploidy. And when one or two number of chromosome addition from normal number of chromosomes, such condition called as hyperploidy. And hyperploidy is also one of the type of aneuploidy. Presents whole set of chromosome is called as ploidy, euploidy, aneuploidy, chromatography. The correct answer is euploidy, means presents whole sets of chromosome. Up to this, today's lecture completed. If you like the video, then you can subscribe my YouTube bioinfo channel, tap the bell icon and like the video. If any doubt about today's lecture, mention in comment box. Thank you.